This time, we're going to add sound to our coding. The sound is in the code, which is magenta or light purple. To add sound, use the Start Sound code block. For example, add this block of code to give the penguin a sound when describing a solid form. When you click on the solid form, the penguin will make a sound. You can also record your own voice and add it to the sprite. Select the penguin sprite and click the Sound tab. Move your mouse over this button and select Record. The computer will ask your permission to record sound. Click Yes or Allow. Then, click the red button to start recording your voice, and click again when you're done. For example, like this. This is a liquid form. Save your recorded voice and name it as Voice Liquid Form. Now, go back to the Code tab, and add a sound as the penguin explains its liquid form. Select the sound you just recorded. Now, try to hit the liquid form, and listen to the recorded sound. This is a liquid form. Scratch also has many other voices. Click the penguin sprite, and go to the Sounds tab. Move your mouse over this button. Besides recording sound, you can upload your favorite song. Or you can choose a sound provided by Scratch. Come on, let's pick one sound from Scratch. For example, select Music on the Loops button. To hear the sound, you can move your mouse over this purple button. Let us listen to the voice entitled Chill. Then add this chill sound by clicking on it. Now, when describing the gas state, add the sound chill. Using this, when explaining the form of gas, there will be music playing. You can also change the volume by using the volume block. For example, to turn down the volume, we use the block Set Volume and change the value to a number less than 100, for example 30. Run your coding and see the result. Good job for finish this learning video. My name is Tao, your virtual friend and having fun of coding and computer science. Grown-ups, if you like this video, please do me a great favor. Subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. This way, I can get energy to create more interesting video and we can have fun together. Thank you very much, and see you on my other video.